Welcome to the tour. This could be your new home. Under construction. The builder is putting the finishing touches on this home, set to be completed within the next week and certificate of occupancy issued by the end of the year. This home has been very well thought out, offering a homey and spacious feel with an open floor plan. Whole home features a lovely color scheme or grays and white. Kitchen has white, solid wood soft close cabinets, granite countertop and stainless appliances. Waterproof vinyl flooring throughout the home, with carpet in the bedrooms. Master bedroom has a walk-in closet, with the master bathroom having granite countertops and a shower only done with white subway tiles. Oversized guest bathroom, with a tub/shower combo and granite counter. Ceiling fans with lights in each room. Indoor washer/dryer hookups in the laundry room that passes through